He also does 7 videos every single week, and he launches one per day. And he spends a few hours researching the subject that he's going to cover, and he does it. Consistency.
Consistency on your marketing, your marketing and sales actions, it's going to be about being consistent. You have to be doing it all the time. You just keep the action in, keep it being done. Make sure you have somebody who's actually working on this all the time for you or with you. Consistency is going to be what builds an organization. Yeah, I know it's a tough one sometimes, right? Yeah, she's laughing in the back. It is consistency. Because if you don't do it consistently, guys, you're going to have this wild swing. And basically all that happens is you're sell, deliver, sell, deliver. And you're never going to build anything that's actually large and growing as a result of that.
That's right. No random actions. You get a strategy in place and you start getting it executed, and you don't abandon it until it's become very obvious that it doesn't work.
Yep.
You look at somebody like one of my top clients for many, many years, Dr. 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗢𝗪. This individual, every single Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time, he will do a live show. And in 5 years that I've been working with him, that's a total of what, 500 weeks? He's missed 2 of them for some very serious personal matters. Other than that, you can count on him being there. Doesn't matter what's happening. He also does 7 videos, new videos every single week, and he launches one per day. And he spends a few hours researching the subject that he's going to cover, and he does it. Consistency, next level. The same thing I experienced with my father. It's not magic what happens with the success of a lot of these companies. It's the successful repetition of processes that have been proven to be successful and that have been tested to be wanted by the public. Once you have those things in place, you definitely want to go heavy in that particular area. So if you guys are going to start doing social media, don't do social media for 2 weeks and then complain that nobody's liking or engaging with you. You got to put your head down and do it, because it doesn't happen overnight. If you guys are going to go door-to-door knocking, if you guys are going to go through the process of being rejected, because it's part of building a business is rejection, then you got to know that you're going to be rejected a good amount of time. Most likely, a higher percentage of the time is going to be a rejection, and you're going to keep on pushing through because you believe in your product and service. If you don't believe in it, then we started off on the wrong foot, right? You really got to believe what your product and service is, and you got to believe in it yourself. If you're selling something that you don't believe has value and you're selling it because you want money, you are inevitably going to fail. That's just the way it is in the world of business. That's how it is. Unless you're selling something that is illegal, that is making people want your product because it's addictive, right? Like the narcs. That's different story. But anything good product, any good business or service has to be something that you really believe in. That way you can create that demand along the way with good marketing strategy. Just so you guys know, I like to describe the world of marketing almost like you could describe a Hall of Fame baseball player. A Hall of Fame baseball player historically gets on base 3 out of 10 times, fails 7 times, and they still get enshrined in the Hall of Fame. Why? Because that level of success for that particular industry, baseball, is enough to actually mean that you're a superstar in compared to the other people out there. I mentioned this a lot, especially recently. Any business that gets started today, 98% of those were not even going to exist in 5 years. So the potential of succeeding in a business, you're running against the odds over here. So you got to understand that you got to try enough strategies. In the world of marketing, many campaigns that you run will not succeed. So you got to try enough marketing campaigns so you can find those few that are successful so you can scale and now get into repetition, consistent, and do it time and time again because it's been proven to be successful.